We all shine in different ways. If we look right here, we see this image that has been going around on social media, and it is encouraging. Remember, I'm a teacher, not a speaker. If we look at this image, we see what we recognize as the sun, we see the moon, and we see a star. Now, once again, I have to say, I'm a teacher, not a speaker. And I'm emphasizing that because our sun is actually a star. So I understand what this image represents, but once again, our sun is actually a star. The main difference between a sun and a star is simply our sun has a name. It's given a specific identity, whereas stars are just referred to as stars. Some scientists have defined our sun or differentiated our sun from other stars. Our sun has planetary bodies in orbit around it. At least one of those planetary bodies inhabits life and has liquid water. Now, our sun is over 93 million miles away from planet Earth, and the star that is the closest to our sun is Proxima Centauri. Now, even though our sun is considered a star, not all stars are considered suns. If we were comparing the closest star to our star, the sun, Proxima Centauri, it's less than 13% the size of our sun, but it's 33 times more dense. Proxima Centauri is about 4.2 light years away, meaning that light, which is the fastest known thing in our universe, would have to travel 6,300 years at its top speed to reach the star that is the closest to our sun. Now back to the other objects in this picture. We have our sun, which we know produces heat. It produces light and different forms of energy, at least 7 different forms of energy. Only one of them could be seen by the naked human eye. Our moon, it does appear to produce light. However, it simply is reflecting. We all still shine in different ways. As I also mentioned, the other stars do not have a specific identity, such as our star, which is referred to as the sun. If we look at all 3 of these images referenced, we have a sun which we could compare to individuals that are known to produce. They produce in various ways, and we're able to identify different applications for the multiple forms of energy that is produced by our sun. Just like us as individuals, some of us shine like that sun. We produce on an extremely high level. We not only produce, but we produce a variation, a range of different products that have multiple applications. We could compare ourselves to the moon. Some of us have the dynamic ability to take something that is produced, and simply due to our composition, we're able to reflect that light, reflect that energy, reflect that effort that has been sent to us, and we're able to send it out and still make an impact. Some of us are more like the stars. We are able to produce. We have the capacity to house human light. However, we may be under the radar, meaning we may not have that well-known identity. We may not have that name like the sun. However, we all produce. We all shine in our own ways, whether we are our sun, whether we are the moon, or whether we are a star. We all shine in our way. Take the time to embrace and value the way you shine, because it is unique, and there's somebody suffering in darkness because either we're not producing our light or we're not allowing that light to reflect off of us. Remember, I'm a teacher, not a speaker. Have an amazing day.